Welcome to this exciting dive into OKR execution cadence, OKR check-ins. Did you know regular check-ins are the secret sauce behind successful OKR implementation? In this video, we'll uncover why they're essential and share tips to make your check-ins smooth, impactful, and action-packed. Ready to level up your OKR game? Let's jump right in. So, we all know what OKRs are: objectives and key results, a powerful framework to set and achieve our goals. But here's the real challenge. How do we make sure our OKRs stay on track and drive real results? So, what exactly is an OKR check-in? Think of it as a regular pit stop to assess progress, build momentum, and address challenges. The success of OKR execution hinges on three key factors: OKR check-ins, PPP reviews, employee engagement. Let's look at each of them in detail. Why do OKR check-ins matter so much? Let's talk about it. 1. Realigning employees toward objectives. Imagine a sports team huddling before a game. It's all about alignment. Regular check-ins realign employees and teams with organizational objectives. They ensure everyone is on the same page and focused on what truly matters, so no one drifts off course. 2. Understanding current progress. Check-ins give you a crystal clear view of where you stand. By updating the current value of your key results, you can measure how far you've come toward achieving your goals. This isn't just about data, it's about celebrating progress and identifying where you need to push harder. 3. Driving employee engagement. When employees are actively involved in check-ins, they feel more connected and motivated. It's not just about tracking numbers, it's about fostering a sense of ownership and participation in the journey toward success. 4. Promoting continuous learning. Every check-in is a chance to learn. What's working? What's not? These regular feedback loops encourage teams to adapt, improve, and execute better. It's all about turning lessons into actions. 5. Creating transparency. Transparency builds trust, and trust builds great teams. Check-ins create an open environment where everyone can see the progress being made. It's like having a team scoreboard. Everyone knows where they stand, and accountability becomes a shared goal. Identifying and rectifying issues. Blockers can derail even the best laid plans. Regular check-ins are like a diagnostic tool. They help you identify and address issues early on, ensuring you don't hit roadblocks that could slow you down. So, in short, OKR check-ins aren't just about ticking boxes. They're about alignment, progress, engagement, problem-solving, learning, and transparency. They're the glue that holds your OKR strategy together. So how do you actually conduct an OKR check-in? Let's break it down step by step. First, let's set the stage with a holistic agenda for your check-in meeting. Every check-in should focus on three key areas: reviewing progress and results, updating the confidence level for achieving your objectives, providing detailed commentary on progress, plans, and any problems. The first step is updating the current value of your key results. This is all about tracking measurable progress. For example, if your team's objective is to improve account revenue, you might update that the current value has increased from $0 to $20,000. This gives everyone a clear picture of where you stand. Next, we assess the confidence level. Are you on track, at risk, or in trouble? This status isn't just about labeling, it's about creating an opportunity to align your team. For instance, if you mark the confidence level as at risk, it opens the floor for discussing what's causing the challenge. Finally, we add commentary. This is where the magic happens. Use this section to specify achievements, highlight challenges, and share your plans. Let's say your team is working on improving customer satisfaction, but delayed feedback is slowing things down. Note this in your commentary so your team can brainstorm solutions together. Here's how it works in action. Imagine your objective is to boost customer satisfaction by the end of the quarter. During a check-in, you report that satisfaction scores have increased from 75% to 82%. That's your current value. However, you're facing delayed customer feedback, so you mark the confidence level as at risk and explain the issue in your commentary. This clarity drives better decision-making and helps your team course-correct effectively. How often should you conduct check-ins? Best practice recommended is weekly reviews. These frequent updates ensure you catch issues early, make timely adjustments, and keep everyone accountable. Remember, check-ins aren't just about reporting. They're about collaboration, problem-solving, and continuous improvement. To make your OKR check-ins even more effective, consider these best practices. Be consistent. Set a regular schedule for check-ins and stick to it. The recommended frequency for OKR check-ins is weekly. Be data-driven. Use measurable data to track progress, not opinions. Keep it short. Limit your check-ins to 15-30 minutes to maintain focus. Stay action-oriented. Always leave with a clear next step, whether it's addressing a problem or continuing with the current plan. Encourage accountability. Make sure each team member takes ownership of their progress. OKR check-ins are a critical part of your OKR execution cadence. By implementing regular, structured, and data-driven check-ins, teams can monitor progress, address challenges, and maintain alignment with their objectives. Check-ins are about measuring progress and building momentum toward your goals.